So before this video gets started, if you want money, if you want to start making money right now, if you need a new way to make money, there are two apps that I'm going to tell you about. The first one is for Uber, Lyft, any rideshare drivers, and then also for any food delivery drivers. And that includes Instacart, DoorDash, Postmates, Amazon Flex, pretty much any gig app. There is an app that tracks all of your miles for free, so you'll save thousands of dollars at the end of the year for taxes, and it shows you where to make more money, what apps you're making more money on. It's honestly a no-brainer, and I can't even believe it's free. It's pretty much like if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or Rideshare, or any gig app company, including delivery, and you're not using this app, I mean, it's just like a free app. I can't believe it's even free. So the app's called Gridwise. I'll leave a link down below for that one. And then the next one, this is for anybody. Anybody can do this. It's for, you make money by filling out surveys. It's 100% legit. It's the most actually verified survey site, and it's been around since, I think, over 10 years. Yeah, it's been around for like 10 years. This app's super legit. You can do it on your phone or on your website. Or on your computer, sorry. I'm gonna leave a link down below. So both of those ways, again, Gridwise, if you're a rideshare driver or a food delivery driver, and then Survey Junkie, if you're anybody over the age of 13. So I will leave links down below for both of those, and you can start making money today. So go ahead and use those, and now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers and Instacart workers, Instacart shoppers. Sorry about that super long intro. I'm gonna probably shorten that in the future, but I just wanted to make that announcement. That's the ad for today. So check out those apps in the link in the description down below. They're super legit and you can start making money. But anyways, today's video, guys, Instacart shopper app is crashing nationwide. It's absolutely crashing. There are so many people who rely on Instacart for money, and they're not able to make any money right now. And people aren't able to place any orders. If you don't know what Instacart is, maybe you've been living under a rock, or maybe you just, I don't know. Actually, there's probably a lot of people who don't know what Instacart is. But basically, it's a grocery delivery service. I think it's #1. I do know that there's obviously Amazon deliveries through like Whole Foods and they're shipped, but Instacart, they deliver through Ralph's, through Whole Foods, through Sprouts, I think Whole Foods too, right? Through Sprouts, Aldi, Walmart, Costco, I think Walmart too. Yeah, they deliver through so many grocery stores, and you can make a ton of money with it while shopping with Instacart. And it's also super convenient for customers to order groceries too. But since of the coronavirus, there has been so much demand, like the apps, guys. Just to give you some quick perspective, think about how often a normal Joe Schmo would get groceries delivered to their house. Maybe let's do a survey between 100 people. Hey, have you ever used Instacart to get groceries delivered to your house? I guarantee you, well, maybe not guarantee, but probably 0 of those people would say yes. Now go out and say, hey, how many of you guys have gotten groceries delivered out of those 100 people? Guess how many? It's like 50. It's like probably like 100 of those people are getting their groceries delivered because people don't want to go to grocery stores. So you can just imagine. Instacart said that they plan to hire 300,000 Instacart shoppers to keep up with demand. And it's absolutely crazy. That's why I keep telling you guys, use my link in the description below to sign up for Instacart, baby. Use my code, baby. No, but just kidding. Like, all jokes aside, I mean, it's no wonder that this day would come. Instacart app is crashing nationwide. It's down. It actually looks pretty scary. And apparently there are rumors that Instacart's being hacked as well. And there's like a weird company that's reserving all the batches and then selling them. Bro, what? How do you sell a way to make money? That sounds like a scam right there. Guys, really quick, if you ever have to pay for your job, you are the product. Think about that. If you ever have to pay money to get a batch, if you ever have to pay money to deliver groceries, Don't you think that's a little backwards? I don't know, that's just me. But let's get into it. Let's show you guys all the reports. I want to hear from you guys as well. Here we go. This is the, let's go to Facebook, baby. Let's go to Facebook, baby. Instacart Shoppers National. I'm gonna click on Facebook in 3, 2, 1, click. Here we go, guys. Let's scroll together and look at how Instacart is crashing nationwide. Sorry guys, I'm just a little all over the place today. I've been all alone all day, and you guys are my only interaction here. I'll just say it. You guys have been my first interaction today with a human being, and it's through a dang camera. Like, can you guys respond to me? Hi, how are you? Say something, I'm waiting. When are you gonna say something back? At least say hello. At least wave at me. Okay, you guys are probably a little freaked out at me. I know, I'm going a little nutso up here, but here we go. Instacart Nationals, here we go. I know we all have our reasons for putting up with IC. I guess sometimes the devil you know is better than the one you don't. This is my 4th week on strike. Geez, the moderator of this group has been on strike for 4 weeks. If you have to strike for 4 weeks and the apps are still functioning normally, I think it's time to stop. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. Here we go. He reads and immediately ends the chat. Yeah, so look at this. Somebody reached out to support and, hello, when is Instacart going to address the third-party shopping? Here it comes to 5 p.m. and all batches have stopped coming through. How long is this going to go on for? Hi, I am Optionek from Instacart and I will be assisting you today. The chat has ended. Anyone else? Look at this. This is the main issue, guys. So these are the batches available, but look, so if you don't know Instacart, the 0 number, that's the number of items, and then the 1 number is the number of units. Oh yeah, by the way, let's just go to Dimples on Demand. I was just checking her out earlier. She's been on the channel before. Guys, I got a freaking blister earlier. Look at this. She goes, she posted she's in New York. She goes, tell me what do you see wrong here? And it says $16.87, $13.94 plus 2. But you go look at the items, guys. 0 items and 1 unit. I commented on that 100% and I go 0 items, 1 unit. Jalo from Kokimo says 0 items, 1 unit. Where's the items? They pay you $16 to come chat, right? They miss face-to-face interaction. The internet is getting hit hard. These poor apps and websites are taking all the hits. SMH, I work for a tech health company. We've been down for 3 hours. Yes, definitely an overload. They pay you for clean air. Do you accept my burning question? 0 items maybe? Same thing happened to me, but it was an error. Error. Let's go back to this little Facebook group here. I love Facebook groups. Facebook groups are fun. I see Instacart want to be petty. How can we complete 5 batches when we can't even get 1? That's just their promo. People are getting salty. Like, the thing is, guys, you gotta give these guys some slack. They're literally saving people's lives. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, people probably take Instacart for granted. Think about how crazy it is that somebody can sit at home on their couch, go on their phone, type in all the groceries they want, and have it delivered to the house in 3 hours. That's insane that they're able to do that. And the app goes down for 1 day and people start freaking out. Like, okay, this didn't exist a few years ago. So now that we're all accustomed to it, this is the problem with the whole gig economy, is that, like, same thing with Uber. When the Uber crashes for an hour, people go nuts. And it's like, think about how crazy of a concept it is that you're sitting at home and you go, you know, I want to go to my friend's house, but I don't have a car. And it's way too far to walk. It's 20 miles away. How can I get there? Oh, let me just order a car to my house and have it drive me there? That's Uber. And like, we think about that's so normal now, but like, and I'm not talking about taxis, guys. Uber, I'm talking about having somebody in there within 5 minutes, sometimes a minute, less than a minute. It's crazy. This happened again. iPhone has so like, I'm sorry, but if you're complaining, if you're saying, oh my gosh, if you say Instacart sucks, because of this. I'm sorry, but like, they are trying, guys. Like, it's, imagine all of a sudden you created an app and then, you're like, oh, well, I have enough server space for 10 people. And then all of a sudden 30,000 people download that app. Do you not think that your app is gonna crash? That's what happened. This is exactly what's happening to Instacart. The same thing here, batch not found. Batch not found, batch not found, batch not found, batch not found. Anyone else get this? Reply yes for messages to buy this number. Consent not required to buy. Just finished buy. Don't watch if bad words hurt your feelings. Okay, well, I guess I won't use sound then, but let's see what's inside this bag. It looks pretty interesting. What do you guys think is inside here? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? The lanyard, right? Instacart lanyard? Oh, hand sanitizer. I kind of want to hear what she says now. Oh, and a mask, nice. Let's see what the comments read. Also, I don't know why it looks like Facebook nerfed the quality of this video because it definitely does not look bad. I see you got a piece of the black t-shirt too. Oh, people are probably clowning their masks. New app updates available. I can see batches now. Still pathetic though. See, like, it's just like, come on guys. Like, you guys, if you're too reliant on an app like this for you to be like absolutely screwed when it crashes for an hour, then like, I mean, these are supposed to be side hustles, you know? Don't panic, please. It's not entirely hacked, but we're having some issues with people selling codes to get more batches. So that's why batches have been disappearing. Oh my God, when will this be fixed? I'm losing a lot of money. We're working on it. It'll be fixed as soon as possible because we are aware that so many people depend on this as income for their families. Okay, so I guess people are depending on Instacart. Guys, go sign up for DoorDash, Uber Eats, go do Amazon Flex, go drive for Uber, go do Postmates. Whatever you gotta do to get through this time. I'm sorry I'm being a little harsh, but like, apps crash all the time, guys. It's technology. You know? Looks like this person was having trouble on Monday. Oh my gosh, same thing here. One item, 80 units. I don't know if they just really wanted 80, oh, does that look, that looks like water, right? A case of waters? No, I don't know what that is. Some of these orders are funny. Doesn't matter what it is. No store will sell 80 of one item to a customer. 80 whipped creams, gum. I don't know what it is. I've been seeing this all day. So basically, basically the huge update, guys, is no one's getting batches. The batches look all weird. It shows 0 items, 1 unit. And apparently people are selling batches or selling codes or something. So that's the big update. That's why I will update you guys as soon as they fix it, just so you guys know. But for now, guys, don't do Instacart. It's gonna be honestly, for the next few days, do something else for money. Go drive for Uber. Go do the survey, guys, honestly. Go fill out a bunch of surveys and make money that way. You can make a good amount of money with the survey thing. Use my code. It's called, the company's called Survey Junkie. But yeah, you gotta use my link to sign up. You get 25 extra points, I think, when you use my code. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for today's video. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when it's back up. But thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. Later, guys. Peace.